welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia of Fodile. In today's video we'll be talking about how to make suya. So we'll be going through the whole process of making Nigerian suya in a hygienic way, also in the comfort of your house. Please stay tuned, let's dive in and make suya the Nigerian way. Hope you're salivating now. You can smell it, right? So yeah guys, choosing the meat which is suitable. I have decided to go for the beef roasting. I think that would be the best one for suya. Let's talk a little bit about the hygienic aspect of the suya. Why we need to be doing it at home, because one, is cheaper, two, you know what you're mixing and you're preparing it in a clean environment. You know where you're preparing it, which is most important aspect of the whole thing, is the hygienic part of it, because we want to be healthy. If you prepare it in your house, you know everything you've mixed, you know how tidy your environment. Some of the places, the roadside where we buy suyas, they are not really 100% clean. Some are clean, I must say, but then we all know, like the roadside, the streets, how they look like. So but if you do it in the comfort of your home, one, it's hygienic for you to eat, and it's more healthy because you know how you've prepared it. Even you can learn how to make suya. You go to weddings or occasions and you tell them, I can make suya. What they need to do is just to buy the meat, give it to you, you prep it and you do it for them and they pay you. That's business idea for you guys. You can even start small, make it a small business. You can buy some containers, print out a label if you want to, and then you can also market it. People are ready to buy when you just talk to them. See, this is what I do, this is my skills and blah 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 blah. They'll be ready to listen to you, they'll be ready to buy. It's just how you sell your product. So all these things we can just do it. Even I think I might start this suya business, tell some of my friends, African friends, even some of my British friends that like spicy food. I can even tell them I can make suya for you, you just need to pay me some few pounds, man, and then that's it, you have suya in your plate. So I think it's a good idea, guys. What do you think? Do you think we can turn this into business? That's my Niger brain. Everything that business. Again, you can prepare suya for a date night. You don't even need to go anywhere. Just stay in your house and prepare it, isn't it? Let's start the process of making suya Nigerian style in a hygienic way, in the comfort of your home, using the oven. And also I'm going to try to use the air fryer for the first time, but let's see the test of the oven and air fryer, which one is better. But the best, I would say, is the outside grill, the one they use to do barbecue, because it tastes so. First of all, you need your meat. Make sure you slice your meat to be flat enough. If it is flat and light, that will help it to get ready as quick as possible. So here is my suya spice, all the way from Nigeria, and I will be using some seasoning here, some salt. This is my olive oil. As Niger baby, we always dey improvise, no be so. We go just throw away the main container, pour am inside bottle wey suit us, no be so. Na Niger baby. So, and then some foil. So we're using some of these things. Also, soak your skewers in water for a couple of hours so they don't get burnt in the oven. Be using these skewers to put the meat into. What we'll do next now is to mix the whole thing. Sometimes you can, after adding the ingredients to the suya, you can leave it to marinate for 1 hour or 2 hours in the fridge, depending on your choice. But today, they think they're hungry me quick, so I'm not gonna wait. I will just start the process as fast as possible because I want to really eat this suya very quickly. Yeah, you with me? Right. So what we're going to do is to add some seasonings. Just added here is just the Suya spice, originally from Nigeria. So all you just need is half a teaspoon of salt and 3 cubes of seasoning, or less than that, depending on your taste. You can also make your own Suya spice if you have like paprika, grounded pepper, garlic, ginger. You can mix them together with your seasoning, and it can also give you Suya taste, or yaji as they call it. But this one is original from the Nigerian malams. You know them. Yeah, so guys, now we'll be putting the meat in the skewers. But when you're doing this, be careful, because the skewer has got like a sharp end that can pierce into your fingers if you're not careful. Guys, here, as you can see, I'm pouring the spice on the plate. So spreading it out, you know, bring your meat, you try and massage each meat. You can even rub it in, making sure that, you know, the spice is evenly distributed on the meat. Every part of the meat tastes so yummy. So guys, I'm going to put this one directly in the air fryer. I haven't put them in the skewers. As you can see, I'm massaging them. You can also put all your meats in one bowl and then mix them all together. That's another way to do it as well. Air fryer is also healthy. You know, it fries your meat or your vegetables or whatever, your chips, very nicely with less oil. So I recommend you buy one if you don't have one, because it's the best, isn't it? Yeah. Again, I'm sprinkling some oil, the olive oil, on top of the meat to make it soft and a little bit crispy. Honestly, I don't know why the malams, you know, put olive oil on the meat. I'm still trying to figure that out. So yeah, I'm going to put this one in the oven to start grilling. I count, guys. It's going to be so yummy. Let's put this one in the air fryer to see how it's going to turn out. I'm so excited, guys. While we wait for the meat to grill in the oven, let's wipe the surfaces to make it free from any contamination or cross-infection as a result from the meat, because we all know that the meat has got some bacteria in them. That's why we need to keep all the surfaces as clean as possible. So because I like to make jobs easy for me to clean, I'm going to put this foil in the oven so that if there's any droppings of the blood or water, it doesn't have to stain the oven, and then less cleaning job for me. You can see our suya is now in the oven. We're going to wait now and see the outcome of the suya, if it's going to look like the ones you eat on the roadside, so, or if it's going to taste differently. Let's find out soon. But before then, recently I and my kids, we started enjoying gardening, and we've been planting since last year. I did lots of gardening or planting some vegetables in the pots, and they really produce lots of vegetables like carrots and lettuce, peppers, what have you. I planted lots, so I'll do a very nice video towards summer and show you what my gardening is all about. Let's check our suya. You see my suya? Oh, it's looking good. I can't wait. Let's try this one. Guys, oh, you need to try this with me. Oh, this is so yummy. Guys, let's see this one if it's ready. Well, it looks dry. I think when we test it, we'll find out. It's not much. It tastes good also, but I prefer the oven one to this one, but it's a little bit dry. So if you want it dry, maybe like kilishi, you can try the air fryer. It's nice.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Remember, stay positive and be happy.